Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This one is a blue. Underneath here it's a 2.5 4-cylinder with 187 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloy wheels. Black leather interior with a dark gray trim. Sunroof. CX-5 all-wheel drive, Sky Active G badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, keyless entry, Bose sound system, power windows, power seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, pedal shifters for extra performance, a push-start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, different driving functions, hard keys for the media display, automatic transmission. This Mazda has 12,044 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring, visit us at feldmannimports.com.